Hands down, the most important thing to remember is involvement. You need to be involved. You need to continue to work with your team. Your team is your consultant. Your team is your board, city council, airport authority, and obviously, and very importantly, the FAA and MnDOT as well. The involvement piece, if you're not involved, nothing is going to move. If you're not involved, people don't understand what the requirements are. So involvement also is working with your community. You want to choose folks that are from all areas of the, in my case, county. You look at your real estate agents, you look at Department of Natural Resources, you look at tourism, you look at Chamber of Commerce's in the surrounding small cities. So when you pull everyone together, you have a number of different inputs that are important to developing the master plan and making it successful. Contacting your FAA on a readily basis and gaining a good working relationship is all about trust. The trust is are you following guidelines? Are you working with a realistic CIP? How can I put those dollars to good use? How am I going to help you as the FAA or as the airport develop your airport? And then you bounce off of that, and then you make it something that can be realistically appreciated by folks in the community. Be honest, don't embellish, be shovel ready. These attributes are created through the completion of a master plan. That is extremely important. Work closely to communicate, often with your consultant. Make your wishes known to them. Be a team player with them. And do your homework. Research thoroughly the grant scoring process and criteria. What points are important to the FAA, and find where that is within your community that it can fit all the puzzle pieces together. Provide enough real-time information describing your airport community for the FAA to see. Give them a visual on paper so that they can see your goals and where you intend to go.